Hi friends, it's Steffi and welcome to another video on my channel. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Steffi Bluebear. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this amazing, well not amazing, but this really cool blue and purple makeup look. But I do like this look and I got inspired by someone else. I was watching their video and they did it too, so I just wanted to do it as well. So I'll probably link her channel down below or her video down below where I got inspired. But without further ado, let's just get started. So the palette that I'm going to be using for this entire look is this Lime Crime 10th birthday palette. It's a really colorful palette and I did a review on it. And I'm going to be using this palette for this look. So the first color that I'm going to be taking is I'm going to be taking this color Libra, and it's like a purple, it's basically like a light purple color. And I'm going to put that all over my crease. So now I'm going to blend all that out. So I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to use this color Wrapped, which is a dark navy blue color, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be putting that on the eyelid. Now I'm also going to blend those two colors together. So now I'm going to take the color Libra again, which is the purple color, and put it on the bottom corner of my lid right here. And just pull it all over the bottom. More like halfway. So now we're going to take Wrapped again, which is the navy blue color, and put that like halfway. So not like all the way, just like a tiny bit like right here. And then again on the other side. So now we're going to be taking this color called Blue Sky, which is this like very glittery light blue color, and we are going to be putting that, I could grab some, like on the under part of my eye, like right here. Ooh, that's a lot. So another thing that we're going to be using Blue Sky for is we're going to be taking Blue Sky with a very thin brush like this. And we're going to be putting like a tiny little shimmery area like right here on the lid. So now we're going to be taking the color Cloud, which is the sparkly white color, and putting that as my inner corner highlight. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting in on my eyeliner, so I'm going to fast forward that. So I have my eyeliner and my mascara on, so I'm going to put a tiny bit of contouring on. I am also going to put some highlighter on, so I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the color Lilac to Reality, and it's a really pretty purpley lilac color. And I thought it would go good with this look since I am wearing purple, so you know, a purple highlight would be good for a purple look. So the final step to this look is I'm going to be putting this Lime Crime Unicorn lipstick in the color Poisonberry. It's a nice dark purple color, and again I thought that it would be appropriate to put in a purple lipstick since we have a purple/slash blue look. So here's a completed look. I really like this look. It's like, I just really like this look a lot. It represents sort of my favorite colors. I never really thought of purple as my favorite color. I always really liked blue was my very favorite color, and then next in line was pink. So this is a really cute look and I like it, and I like how it's purple and blue, so I just really enjoyed this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what do you think of this look. Do you like it as well? Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.